¿Sí? Oh. Buenas tardes, amigos. Buenas tardes. YouTube says hi. YouTube says hi. Buenas tardes. There you go. This is another restaurant, bar, monkey business. A bit loud at night. I'm not a big fan of loud music. When I eat and when I drink. That's just me. Behind me is Hot Wings Sports Bar. I think they're trying to imitate Hooters back in the States, but not quite, obviously. The waitresses don't wear what they wear at Hooters in the States. We went there a few times, once for wings and the other times for drinks. If you're wondering how the wings are, well, that's an upcoming video on my reviews on the wings here. Behind me is McCarthy's Irish Pub. We've been here about a month now, and we've been there a number of times. Their burgers are delicious, fries are good. Every day they have specials, and I believe every day is happy hour. I'm not sure what time, I think from like 3 to 11 p.m. Great staff. There's one Pablo, super nice. Ms. Maloya, I think his name is, and also Rolio. So I recommend this place. And Friday and Saturday nights, there's a live band that plays in there, so it gets pretty loud. There it is, the Vacchia Argentina. I'm sweating. This is not what I will be wearing inside the restaurant, but if I would wear what I would wear in a restaurant back home, it would be basically drenched, because it's 41 today. It's humid, it's really hot. I ordered the boneless beef ribs, medium rare, and my esposa ordered ribeye, medium rare as well. How do you call it? Medium roja?
I think so.
Spanish is coming. The Spanish is coming, guys. I'm learning little by little. Mi gusto, desdrinko. Gracias.